Hi, we are Software Brothers. In our previous class, we have converted our consideration for our conversion of decimal to octal over there. If you have missed our previous classes, do follow our previous classes. In this present class, our ultimate focus is to convert our octal to decimal number over here. So let us start our proceeding over here. So in order to start with, we should start our code blocks over here once again. So it is getting started over here. Once again, create a new project, console application. This is our C, and after that the project title is our A, and the same style or the same procedure follows. Now let us mention over here, our prime objective is to convert our octal to decimal number over here. So once again we should start with our function prototype over here. In order to do that, I should mention over here as the variable type is our long type, and the consideration is convert our octal to decimal, and inside our bracket I should mention our variable type and variable over here int our octal number, and this is our consideration. And inside this curly braces of our main block, we should play with our C programming over here. So I should mention over here the variable which is int or octal number, and the printf line follows after that, which is displayed at the output part of our program, which is enter an octal number, enter an octal number. After that the scanf line will be present over here, and inside this one should be our percentage d because of our integer type consideration over here, and this one is our octal number. Okay, now what is the answer that we are trying to focus over here? In order to do that, we should mention that our printf line, and inside this the percentage d in our octal, which is equal with our percentage LLD in decimal. Okay, and after that the first percentage d is actually our octal number, so let us mention over here octal number, and after that the convert of our octal to decimal number follows after that. So which is our convert, you can see that form will be present over here. So double clicking that one will be valuable for us, and this one is our, inside this bracket the octal number will be present here. Okay, so this is our consideration over here, and the return 0 follows after that. So after this I should mention, or I should utilize the function to convert our octal number to decimal number over here, and I should mention our programming factor over here once again, which is our long type variable will be present over here, which is convert our octal to decimal, and inside our bracket I do have our integer, our octal number will be present over here, and inside this bracket I should mention our much needed program over here, or much needed coding for that octal conversion of our octal to decimal number over here, which is integer our decimal number. Okay, which should have initiated with our 0, and after that the I follows after that over here, and after that the while statement will be present over here if while our octal number is not equal to 0. For that one, what seems to be the consideration? Our octal number, so double clicking will be much more better option over here. Octal number not equal with our 0. For that one, I should say what seems to be the formulation over here. The formulation will be our once again the decimal number plus equal with our inside this bracket. So this one should be our plus, that is equal with our inside this bracket, I should say, our octal number. You can see the octal number modulo operator our 10, and which is followed by with our power inside our bracket I do have 8i. Okay, so this is our consideration, and after that the looping count will be concentrated over there, and after that the actual octal number consideration will be divided with equal with our 0. This is our point over here, and after that the while statement will be ended over here, and I should say after that the I is equal to 1. That is the consideration over here, and after that the return statement will be there. While octal number is not equal to 0, then this is our formulation, but if that is not the case, after that, so after this integer line, this I is equal to 1 will be follows, and the return line will be concentrated after that, which is our decimal number over here. So that is the total picture for our consideration. So let us test our consideration for our program just by build and run our program, and you can see enter an octal number over here. So if I do like to say that the octal number is say 116, and the decimal number should be our 78 over here. Okay, so I can say that the program is absolutely right over here. Hope you have understood our total analogy over here. If you still have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section for better understanding. If you don't understand any part of our consideration, please let us know in the comment section. We will be try to rectify your doubt and try to focus on your problem solving abilities over there. If you don't understand any part of our consideration, please let us know in the comment section. We will try our level best to improve your concepts and improve your doubts. Lastly, most importantly, please do subscribe our channel. If you want to understand all the logics in a lot more meaningful way, stay tuned with our classes and do follow our videos. So that's it. Thank you and goodbye.